Good morning, everyone. Here's your boy DJ Angel Producers from Mozambique. Today, I have an opening the project of Reason, and I would like to share you how the ideas and tips of how I made these instrumentals. This type of beat is made in Zambia with one of the famous singer, which is called who is called General Kaneni. So please correct me. This is the first time for me to speak English because I like very much to teach you in English because English is worldwide. So if I make mistake, I'm one of the person who accepts to be corrected. So we will start with the read drums. After the read drums, we will enter in the sections where we will find the melodies which I draw it. After the melodies, you will also see the strings. After the strings and everything we will see here. So I would like, if you are new in this channel, please subscribe, hit the notification button so that if I post new videos here, you will be notified. So I will start with the reed drums. Okay, here are the reed drums. Here we do have the kick. After the kick, I draw with the snare and I duplicate it with another snare. After the snare, I draw with the hi-hat, conga. Everything else you will find, if you go in these sections here, you will find reed drum. Reed drums. Here we have channel 1 and to 10. And if you click in this icon, which looks like it looks like a bag, you will choose which kick do you want to use for your beat. For example, here, if I click in this icon, you will choose the snare which you want to play in your beat. So after the kick, I played the guitar, and I chose one of the program which is NNHT. This plugin is native. All of the plugins that I will be using here, they are natives. They are not external plugins. Since these programs doesn't accept external plugins like Pureit, Next, or Expanded, it doesn't accept it. It is very good. So let us play this guitar to hear how it sounds. Guitar in the same plugin, I draw with the some melodies they sounds like they are strings, but they are not. Then I draw with the strings here. I only copied these ones, and I made copy paste here. And after the strings, I draw it another melodies from this plugin, and then Zanov. And after that, I draw with the bass guitar. And after that, I played also another melody here, which is from NNHT. I draw it another melody here, which is from NNHT. This plugin is also very nice for you to use when you are making these types of beats from Zambia. As you can see, other melodies I play down below here. And after that, I played another guitar here from Tori, which I used. I think it's a very nice. It's like a bell, but it's very cool for you to use in your beat. because it gives harmony for your beat. Yeah, it gives harmony to your beat. So after that, I copied those melodies which I told you. They're like strings, and I made the past chord down below here. And after that, as I always say here, that you every time you make beat, you need to draw the breaks. The breaks are the parts which acknowledge your singers that you are entering another part, you are leaving, you are going another part to sing. So it's very important for you to draw. So let us hear from the beginning, the entire tutorial. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I would like for you to subscribe to my channel because I'm teaching it for free. So I would like to teach you whenever you want. I will teach you everything that you want. So my friends from Zambia, please subscribe to my channel, and everything, if you find it very interesting, tell me in the comment, and I will answer the questions that you will be making for me, that you will. So if I make mistakes of English, please correct me, because I would like to work with you. Thank you very much.